Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. Killer little Mustang, guys. Pretty color combo. This is it's a factory J-code red car. Of course, it's got all the Shelby GT 350 striping. It's a tribute car. It's not a real car. But man, pretty car, man. I got this from a buddy of mine down in Tennessee. Recent body up restoration. I love the way the wheels he put on this car. Those are 15-inch Billet Magnums. Of course, it's got the BF Radial TAs all the way around it. But nice car, man. A factory A-code car, 289 4-barrel car. Car runs and drives excellent, good solid body, really got a good look, man. This car just pops. Of course, these fastbacks are really popular, hard for me to get my hands on. Really, really good looking car, man. It sits good, like I say, drives down the road good. I dig it, man. I think it's a really cool car. Disc brake car. It's got the fold down rear seat. Got that Shelby hood. That car is tough, man. Good looking car. Paint slick. Fog lights work. You can see the chrome and stainless are very nice. Couple little marks on the bumper, but nice, guys. Really nice car. This car looks good, man. You're looking for a nice pony car, I think you're gonna like this one. This car is tough. Yeah, there's a couple little marks in the rear glass. See, it's got the fold down rear seat in there. I like this car, man. This car just looks good, man. Nice and flat down the sides. Again, it sits good. Got good sized rubber on it. Of course, it's got the GT rear valance with the tips. And a couple little marks on the bumper. Well, this car's pretty, man. Those right there are super cool, man. Look real good on this car. It's got the bullet mirrors on it. Sorry, that's a little pollen there, guys. Sorry, a little dust. Nathan was waiting for me to shoot this thing. I got caught up on the phone, so got a little dusty. Same thing there, just a little dust. Oh, this car's nice. Again, factory 289 4-barrel. Said he just put a brand new Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. You can see it's got all MSD ignition with the Pro Billet distributor, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got all the Billet pulley system on it. It's got a B&M, I believe it's a 3-speed automatic trans in it. I like the Cobra valve covers and Cobra air cleaner. Kind of fits the look of the car. If you want to nitpick something, you can see the headers are a little older on it, but you can always find something, guys. None of these cars are perfect. Original VIN still there. You can see the A code, original buck tag. Flex fan on the front. Just a nice car, man. Car just looks good. Again, sorry, man. Nathan must turn the wipers on. A little dust. Good looking car, man. I dig it. A-pillar chrome's pretty nice. It's showing a little age. Again, the mirrors are cool. The bullet mirrors. These are new. They look good. There's your original door tag. Again, it is a factory J-code red car. It's got the pony interior. These look original. You can actually buy those new. Matter of fact, remind me, I may even buy them for you. This car's too nice to have those in there. Bucket seats console. Again, it's got the super cool pony interior, the wood steering wheel. Again, fold down rear seat. Rally pack gauges. Those are the original ones. The tach's not working. My buddy Scott sending me a brand new set of those. Again, I put the Ford Mustang seat covers, or not seat covers, doggone floor mats in it. 42,000 miles. I'm sure that's 142 on the odometer. I'm sure that's not original. See, the console's nice. But again, we do have the rally pack gauges coming for it, so we'll make that tach work. Dual exhaust, factory rear. I think it's a 300 gear. Pretty car, man. See, they just painted it. Body color in the rear. Nicely done. Fit and finish is really nice for a pony car. I always kind of nitpick those. They just didn't seem to. Bigger cars I think kind of fit a little better, but this is really nice, and they've done a nice job fitting up this car. Seats nice. Cool car, man. Really good looking car. All the wood grain's nice. I don't know if when I tried to turn that radio on, I couldn't get the radio to come on, so. Console looks brand new. Have Nathan fired up here. Yeah, door handles look new. I like the billet mirrors. Then you can kind of nitpick those a little bit. Car runs out good, man. Good sound in 289. These cars are tough for me to get, man. They are so popular. Most of them go over to Europe. That's a good looking car. Man, again, I like the wheels. The car's just got a good look to it, man. Nice little sound to it. Yeah, we'll make sure that tach gets changed. You can see your gauges are all working. Backup lights work. What's not coming on is your brake lights. Brake lights aren't coming on, Nathan. I don't think that radio comes on, does it? Make sure you're pushing down on those brake lights. If for some reason they didn't come on, I know they work unless a little switch needs to be adjusted. Blower motor does work. You can see all your little interior lights are working. Wipers work. That little fog lights come on. That's pretty cool. I wonder if Nathan's his big old size 15s have hit that brake switch on there. We'll check it though. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely check us out on YouTube. There should be a little a button you can click on. So you can subscribe to us, and that way you get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Hey Nathan, the brake lights aren't kicking on, so use your parking lights so people know. We'll get that checked too, guys. Like I say, I know they work. Those big old size 15s might have taken out a brake light switch. Wow, that car's tough. Nice car, man. Have a great day, guys.